Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, printer driver was not installed element not found error. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Printer. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.